guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this easy hairstyle that you can rock in different ways. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Eco Styling Gel, my water bottle, my scrunchies, my Diana brush, and my rat tail comb to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, guys. So exactly the way I'm doing right there, a straight line. Just try to make it as straight as possible, guys, okay? And then when I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to secure the hair in the back with the scrunchie because I'm going to start working with the front first. So when I'm done securing the hair in the back right there, I'm going to start by finding my base. So I want it to be like a really nice top bun right there. You guys already know I have to slick my hair down in sections because my hair is thick or whatever, okay? So I do have like a little base that I start with and, you know, add my water, take my Eco Styling Gel, you know, and then use my brush. And then I'm just gonna secure the hair with the scrunchies. I actually like sticking my hair down with Eco Styling Gel because it doesn't give me the white crusty stuff when I'm done. Okay, so you can use whatever gel works for you, but this is what works for me. My hair is really thick. I have to go in sections, use my water, and then I use the Eco Styling Gel and then my brush to make sure my hair lays all the way down. Working in sections works even better for me because my hair slicks way better. And you know my hair says, I mean, like this hair, this 4C hair says is a struggle, but girl, it takes me about 5 minutes to slick my hair down. 5-10 minutes, I am done slicking my hair down. And I'm going to do the same on the back as well. So this is a very easy style that you guys can rock. You can do this on a day that you're going to work and you are out the door. This summer, we're switching it up every single week, sis. We are looking cute every single week by ourselves. When I'm done slicking my hair down in the front right there, I'm just going to secure it with the scrunchie, just the way I'm doing right there. And sis, let me tell you something. Don't try to slick your hair down and tie the scrunchie too tight if you're trying to keep this style in for a long time, okay? Once I'm done slicking my hair down, you know, so I'm using the same concept in the back as well, going in sections as I'm adding my water, you know, Eco Styling Gel and using my Diana brush. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to use a scrunchie to secure it as well, sis. So while we're still talking, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yeah! We gotta lay this baby hair. I'm just gonna use my brush, okay, my little edge brush that I got from Amazon, of course, you already know. Just gonna use my styling strip to make sure my hair lays all the way down, okay? And then I'm going to be using my bougie pink scarf. And baby, you better check this out on our website, sis, okay? Anyway, so I'm going to be using this Super TZ 60-inch braiding hair. It comes 3 in a pack, sis, and I'm going to be using all 3. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it out of the pack, you know, taking the rubber band out, and then I'm sectioning the hair into 2 because I want to use 1/2 on top and then 1/2 on the bottom, sis, okay? And then I'm just going to take my scrunchie, securing it on the hair, and then I will secure that on my natural hair. I have to put my styling strip, that way my hair doesn't get messed up in the front, okay? And then I'll section a little bit of the piece on the side, you know, saving it for later to make this look as realistic as possible. All right, so now I'm sectioning the hair into 3, braiding it as a normal braid. You guys already know the drill right about now. So just braid it all the way down. I like the hair because it's already nice and pre-stretched, so that works better if you want to try like do like a style like this. And I already have the link in the description if you guys want to check it out as well. I'm just going to secure it with the rubber band at the end, that way it does not unravel. And then I'm just going to pull it a little bit, you know, just to make sure it's nice and realistic or whatever. And then I'm just going to flip it just the way I'm doing right there. I'm going to go round with the hair that I put on the side, guys. So I make it look like it's growing out of my scalp. That's exactly what I'm doing. Make it as tight as possible, not too tight, sis, that you can like move your head, you know, you can't sleep at night or whatever. Okay, anyway, once I'm done, you know, going around making this as realistic as possible, I'm going to take my little bobby pin and secure it, sis. So I'm gonna take the other 1.5 piece, of course, and place it on my head, section the little bit of the hair on the side, and then section the hair into 3 and braid it all the way down. And then I'll take the little bit of the piece again, you know, go round with it and make this as realistic as possible, and then use a bobby pin to secure it. Sis, when I tell you this is like a 10-15 minute hairstyle and you are done, honey. I mean, look how cute this hairstyle is. This style came all the way through. Yes, sis. And you know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories, sis. So this is what I'm doing, just adding this little gold accessories, and baby, it turned the style from 0 all the way to boop, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style or whatever. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this style. So the next style, you know, we're just going to take this, the braid, the front braid, and just start going around with it, making this into a bun. And then when you're done, you're just going to take a bobby pin and secure it. And that's about it. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style as well. This little bun on the top and braid all the way down. So style number 3, we're just going to be using these afro puffs that I got from Amazon, okay? And this one has 2 combs inside and a drawstring. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to take my Garnier Fructis Shine Moroccan treatment and then apply it to both puffs, okay? And then I'm just going to take my afro comb and comb it out, making this as realistic as possible. And then I'll use both combs, one in the front and one in the back. And then I'm just going to pull the drawstring just to make sure it's nice and secure on my head, sis. And I'll take the other one and place it on the back, and that way I have 2 puffs, one on the top and one in the back, sis. Okay, and these ones are mini puffs, and I have everything in the description, sis. When I tell you this style came all the way through as well, this looks really nice and realistic. Like, this is just my fro. I mean, this is me dreaming of growing my hair. Okay, so if you can achieve it, sis, we're gonna fake it until we make it. Okay, sis. I am loving this style. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys will be trying this little puff situation going on. Style number 4, we're going to be using this I Define Easy Braid. It comes 3 in a pack, and this is 52 inches, sis. So I'm using all 3 of the packs. I'm just going to take it out of the pack and place a scrunchie on it, and then I'll place one in the back right there. Okay, so I'm just going to twist it all the way down, you know, just a loose twist. It doesn't have to be really tight or whatever. Okay, and then when I'm done, I'm just going to take a little rubber band and secure the end, that way it does not unravel. And then I'll place one on the top right there. I had to place my styling strip as well because I didn't want to have my hair messed up when I'm twisting all the way down. Then I already have another one twisted on the side, so I'm just gonna place that on the top as well. So I'm placing 2 on the top. I'm going to start with the front right there. Just flip it just the way I'm doing right there, closer to your forehead, and then I'll place it on the band just to make sure I hide my hair, using my bobby pins to secure it. And then I'm just gonna secure the back as well. And next, I'm just going to flip the hair in the back, secure it with some bobby pins, okay, and then flip it all the way, you know, bring the hair to the front right there and tuck it in. And then the second one, you know, the one that I have in the front, okay, I'm just going to flip that, you know, just try to hide my hair on the top right there. So just work with it, that way your hair is really nice and hidden. And baby, you have a nice mohawk situation going on, and I love this hair because it looks really, really nice and realistic, like it's my natural hair or whatever. And I just love the way it came all the way through, sis. I'm using this Cuban twist, and this is the double strand. This is 16 inches and it is in color number 1B. Okay, so I wanted to look like a natural goddess. I wanted this to mimic my natural hair. I wanted it to be as close to my natural hair as possible, and I was like, yes, Cuban twist, come to the rescue, baby. All you gotta do is take this Cuban hair. So I'm just gonna separate the hair into two, and then I'm going to be using my scrunchie to secure it, but I'm going to go all the way to the corner of the hair. So I'm just gonna secure this with my scrunchie, place it on my head. So the little piece that I have remaining from the scrunchie where I have it secured, I'm just going to secure that on my bun and then use my bobby pins to secure it, okay? Once I do that, I'm just gonna start going round, making this into a bun. And then as you're going around, using some bobby pins just to make sure everything is nice and secured, especially the top part right there. You wanna make sure your natural hair is not seen or anything like that. That is all I'm doing right here. Oh my gosh, this is the best style that you can wear on Valentine's Day. You can actually do this on Valentine's Day, actually in the evening before you go out for dinner, okay? You can actually do this and you are going to look all the way cute, sis. Once you get to the end, you're just gonna twist it and then tuck that in using some more bobby pins to secure it. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Once you're done with the top part, you're just gonna do the same exact thing on the bottom, okay? So you're just gonna go to the corner of the other piece, the remaining piece of the Cuban hair that you had separated, and then using your scrunchie to secure it, placing it on your head and then securing it about twice or 3 times, as much as you want it to be nice and secure. And then taking the little remaining piece of the Cuban hair, making sure you secure that first. The remaining of the Cuban hair, I'll just start going around exactly the way I'm doing, using some bobby pins to secure it, and then making this into a nice bun, sis, okay? As you guys can see, this looks exactly like my natural hair. This looks legit. This looks like Miss Tupo1's hair grew overnight. And baby, when I tell you, this updo came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am living for this natural hair updo kind of situation. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. You already know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here we are. I'm just gonna add these gold accessories on the top right there, and then a little bit on the bottom as well. And baby, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. Let me know if you guys think this is easy peasy lemon squeezy and you are going to be trying it, period. When I tell you, I am feeling myself. I look good. I love this style. You can actually just switch out on the extensions on the top, and this will come all the way through. You can rock this for 2 straight weeks and you are just going to be looking like a queen, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.